It is not enough to produce great engineers. We have to produce great human beings. Institution has a lot to do in producing great human being unless আপনারা যদি ভালো মানুষ না হন তাহলে কখনোই দেশ এবং জাতির কোনো উন্নয়ন সম্ভব না। এজন্য প্রথম যে জিনিসটা হতে হবে আমাদেরকে ভালো মানুষ। Only then you can contribute, whatever you contribute, the country and nation will prosper. We are producing great scholars, great engineers, great doctors, great civil servants, great military officers, but without the ethics, without the ethical teaching, without making them good human beings, country will not be benefited. That is why I always encourage you to be disciplined, to good human being, and of course, with your intellect, you will be great engineers.